Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to review Fal AI. Fal AI is a generative media platform for developers, bringing together the world's best generative image, video and audio models in one place. It allows developers to develop and fine-tune models with serverless GPUs and on-demand clusters. It offers the world's largest generative media model gallery, with more than 600 production-ready image, video, audio, and 3D models. Developers can build products using Fal Model APIs, scale custom AI models with Fal Serverless. They can access thousands of H100, H200, and B200 VMEs with Fal Compute. Fal provides a rich library for image, video, voice, and code generation. It can be used to build with state-of-the-art open models, personalize models for a brand or persona, and gain exclusive early access to new models. Fal Serverless provides on-demand, serverless GPUs, running inference at lightning speed with a globally distributed engine. It can be used to access the Fal inference engine to accelerate workloads, scale from 0 to thousands of GPUs instantly, and run, deploy, and productionize models with built-in observability tools. Fal Compute offers dedicated clusters for frontier research labs, enabling fine-tuning, training, or running custom models with guaranteed performance. Users can choose from the latest NVIDIA hardware across global regions. It supports thousands of Blackwell NVIDIA chips, large-scale training workloads, and includes a proprietary distributed data feeding engine with enterprise-grade reliability. The Fal inference engine is up to 10 times faster for diffusion models. Built for developers, Fal provides a unified API and SDKs to call hundreds of open models, with no setup required. Fal AI is built for enterprise scale, powering AI features in some of the world's most demanding environments, from public companies to hypergrowth startups, including Adobe, Canva, Perplexity, and Quora. Whether the goal is shipping a feature quickly or training a massive model from scratch, Fal provides the power and flexibility to do both. It also offers competitive pricing for custom deployments, allowing apps to run on a competitively priced GPU fleet, with H100s starting at $1.89 per hour. Video models are billed per output unit, either per second or per video depending on the model, with pricing based on output usage. That is it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.